everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had asked a couple of days ago what you guys wanted to see on my channel this year, and one of the requests was for easy updos or easy hairstyles for getting you through the work week. So here I am with my lovely model. I think her name's Mia, but of course Eric put fake on her neck, so this is Mia slash fake, I guess you could call her. I have done 3 really easy hairstyles, a couple of braids, some bobby pins, and you're good to go. So this is one of the examples of the easy style that I did. I did 3 of them total, so if you want to learn how to do some really easy updos, just go ahead and keep watching. For this first look, what you will want to do is grab a section of hair from either side, typically around where your temples are, and you're going to pull those back and secure together with an elastic. Once you have secured the 2 pieces of hair with an elastic, you're going to grab pieces of hair from below and wrap them around the 2 sections of hair that you have combined with the elastic. And you're going to just continue wrapping this around. As you can see, it tucks everything up into those original 2 pieces, and you're going to grab some pins and bobby pins into place. If you're doing these on yourself, you may need 2 mirrors just to be able to check the back of your head. But this is the completed look. You can pretty much pull it out, fluff it however you see fit. For this next look, you are going to need to section vertically into 4 sections. And then you're going to braid each of those 4 sections so that you have 4 separate braids. Just regular 3-strand braids. For the 2 outer strands, you're going to want to braid going towards the middle back of your head, just to make sure that you don't have any hair around your ear area that really sticks out. By over directing it towards the middle back, it should help prevent that. Then you're going to, what I call, pancake the braid. You're going to kind of squeeze with your thumb against your pointer finger to kind of flatten out the braid and spread it out to make it bigger. Here you can really just get creative with however you see fit. The first 2 middle braids I will kind of crisscross at the nape of the neck. And each time you do these looks, you will receive a different look just depending on how big your braids are, how you pin them. If you pull the braids apart more, kind of deconstruct it. What I'm doing here is I'm just taking the ends of each piece of the braid and tucking it in and hiding them. As you can see with the outer 2 braids, what I'm going to do is pull them across the top of the 2 inner braids. Like I said, with this you can really create any look that you want. It's just a general idea of taking your hair, sectioning it into braids, and kind of just twisting it and pulling it and pinning it into a way that looks pretty and really easy to do. And like I said, with looks like this, you really will get a different look each time you do this. So I'm just kind of hiding the ends away, pinning them in. I didn't have any small elastics, which is why I'm using pins for the end of my braids, but it works just the same because you're going to be pinning them into the hair anyway. So with here you can see I'm just kind of playing around with if I want to lay it over it or under it or above it and pinning into place. With this look and all of these, you can really determine how high you want it. If you want to wear the style lower on the nape of your neck, or if you want to bring it up higher for more of an updo style, it's really up to you. Just kind of pin and pull pieces apart and just keep working until you're happy with how the overall look is. And again, this will turn out different pretty much every time you do it, just depending on where you pin and how your braids end up. For this third look, you are going to section off from your temples down, and you're going to do another large braid and pancake that out. Same concept with this one as the previous look. You are just going to braid and pin wherever you think it's gonna look good. So for this, I kind of went over to one side. You can go to the other side. You can go straight across the back, straight up and down. It's really just the concept of doing a braid, pulling it apart and pinning it. It gives you a really fun and easy look that makes it look like you spent a lot more time on your hair than you did. Then with the remaining top section of your hair, you're going to comb back. You can either leave a part or you can pull it all the way back with no part, and you're going to braid this into another large braid. Again, pinning or using an elastic for the ends, pancaking that out, pulling it apart. I didn't use any products for this tutorial. I really just wanted to get an idea of what this would translate onto camera, but you will want to use like a dry texture spray or something like that to really help pull apart the braid and give you a more texture look. So just kind of folding this up, pinning it, and again, it's going to come down to how you pin it, how you pull it apart, how much hair you have, where you place it, but it's just giving you the general idea that a couple of braids and you can achieve a really pretty updo. I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much.